Good afternoon. Welcome to Stella Art Creations. My name is Maisha Wilson. I'm here to show you how to make an Easter card using the Cricut. So first you want to open up and log in and then go to Shapes. And we're going to start with putting in our first layer. That's not going to be the card base, but it's going to be the first layer that goes on top of the card base, because I find that it's easier to cut the card base without using the Cricut, just using the guillotine. So let's see here. For the height, you're going to put that at 4.25 and the width at 5.5. Let's make that 5.25 and 4. And then lock it. I'm going to change this background color to be something different. Maybe light blue for now. No, maybe purple. So first we want to find some text and spell out happy. Perhaps in all caps. We're going to take it. No, I want this smaller. 5 width by 3.75 height. And lock it. So I'm not going to center it exactly, but I'm going to center it as far as both sides and the top. I think that looks right. And I'm going to slice as soon as I can find. It's down at the bottom. Okay, delete that. By the way, delete that. We won't need those anymore. And then I'm going to use text again and type Easter. And this one I'm going to change to be writing. I'm thinking about changing the font, so I have to find another one that's good for writing. I think that looks better. You know what? I think it'll look better. Let's see. I'm going to align and center vertically. Then I'm going to slice again and remove everything. It did not slice. Did it slice? Yes, it did. And then we're going to go back up to text and type Easter. I'm just going to group it. And now you have the base of a shaker card. You just need to cut it out and then put acetate behind it and foam and then whatever shaker elements you want to use, and you have a simple Easter card made with the Cricut. Have a good day. Bye.